do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a updo hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'll be using the Outre Pretty Quick pony and the style is Afro Puff Bubble Pony. I have it in the color 1B. Okay, let's get this hair out of the package and get to work. This is how the stock card is looking. As you can see, it is a simple and easy throw and go ponytail.
You put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie.
The hair has a comb at the top and a drawstring at the back, which makes it very easy to put on, guys. And you can create different hairstyles from this one bubble ponytail. I'll put the ponytail over my bun and install the comb at the front and adjust the drawstring at the back.
So what we gonna do?
Now we're finished installing the hair and we have a hairstyle. Wasn't that easy, guys? Now I'll use a piece of hair to create a bang or swoop or leave out or whatever you call it, guys. And as you all know, this hair is coming from my passion twist hair. It's the same hair I used previously in that head wrap hairstyle. So all you gotta do is use a bobby pin or hairpin and secure the hair under your bun. You could also use a crochet needle and crochet the hair, but I'm not into that at this moment.
Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies like a light, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
This is how it looks from the back, and don't mind the drawstring. I just leave it there because I'm going to create another hairstyle. We're going to wrap the bubble ponytail around using bobby pins or hairpins and make a bun. And there you have another hairstyle. You can also go back and add the hair to make your leave out so you can give the hair a different look.
Running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do.
Here you have the final look. Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think of these hairstyles. If you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also the notification so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Just want to wish you all a happy holidays or Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.
So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason.